you know anything about, do you ever know about Paul Robeson and Peekskill?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I was there. I was a guard at Peekskill. I participated quite in a number of these things. I was a guard at Peekskill. When the other people left, I was forced to stay behind. And they put a machine gun in the middle. I mean, to load the goddamn cops put a machine gun in the middle. First of all, they took you, the cops came in, and there was the cops, there was the national, who came in, the cops, the guard, all the groups came in to stop us. And what they were doing was they frisked us, and then they got us lined up in another part of the area. In the meantime, the folks got out. And my proposed wife at that point was driving the car, and they threw a rock in the car, and they got glass in her eyes, and she had to be hospitalized. And so they whatchamacallit. So they kept us lined up like this to make sure we. But they put a machine. I'll never forget it. They made a deal with the governor. I think it was Dewey at the time. So they made a deal that they'll let us go, and they sent back buses for us. What was really funny. So I sent back the bus, but a friend of mine was going on this bus, and another friend wanted to go with him. He says, "I want to go in that bus." Hey, they whacked him on. You'll go where we tell you to go, and that was it. So we went back, and okay, Peekskill was Peekskill. But hey, if it's serious business, they can knock your head off. It's not joking, and it was a lot of fun. It wasn't fun, obviously, but it was interesting. I felt very good about it because I had a little piece of something, a nail opener, I felt was a good weapon, and nobody took it away. So if worse comes to worse. But my wife got glass in her eye and had to go to the hospital and get it taken out. But she came out all right, and I came out all right.